This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices BurtJordan Realtors property video is presented by Bobby Housand. Seller has to move and leave this home behind before getting all repairs made. It is an as-is sale with some minor damage to laundry room floor. HVAC leak is the reason it is thought new HVAC has been installed. There is also some rot damage on the rear eave of the house above the French doors and surrounding area. Also need back steps at rear door from laundry room replaced. Very large and expansive floor plan. This home has a huge kitchen with lots of cabinets and counter space. Also has all new kitchen appliances. Most of the home has been freshly painted. Famiy room and keeping room with electric fireplace, never been used, also a bonus room that would make a great study, craft, play area, dining room, lots of possibilities. One of the best floor plans I've seen in a mobile home. Large master bedroom and master bath with garden tub, separate shower, double vanities and 2 walk-in closets. 2 other bedrooms have walk-in closets. Covered front porch. Take a look today and prepare to